Hello everyone, it's Mindy, and I have one more art and soul painting to show you. This one is really cool. I think I'm really going to enjoy this one. So let's get into it and we'll show you what it is. Let's get it out of the bag. I think this one's really colorful and not wanting to come out of the bag. Okay, there. We have released it from the bag. So here's our inventory sheet. Let's look at that. All right, it's a square drill diamond painting. It's called Flowery Night. Look at that, how pretty that is. Love it. Umples, is that the artist? Umples. So the inventory sheet will tell you your symbol, the color, the DMC color, how many it takes, how many we're actually getting, and a weight, and how many bags. Oh, 310. We get 2 bags of 310. We get a bunch of 310. Ooh, yay. We also get some 820, dark blue, and 939. Oh boy, all the dark players are in play here for that night sky. Pretty. Has 57 different colors. The bottom will have ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. So we have 208, which is a pretty light lavender. 606 is a red, 907 is a green, and 995 is a blue. Pretty. All right, let's get into it. Let's look at it. Soft back canvas, self-flattening. We have the pinked edges, poured glue. Let's roll it backwards. Let's get everything out of the inside so we can show you all the goodness. All of the goodness. Now, I'm going to say, even though this has a lot of black in it and a lot of the dark blues, I don't think it's going to be too bad to diamond paint it. It's not. We'll look at it. I have a feeling. I got a feeling. All right, let's look at the toolkit real quick. What comes in the toolkit? Let's see. Everything out, first of all. Okay, so we have some baggies. We have a white tray, like a mafia boat, 1 multi-placer there, and 1 multi-placer on our pen. We have a little purple squishy comfort grip for the pen. We got a pot of wax and a pair of sharp tweezers. So nice upgraded toolkit. Love it. All right, look at our sticker sheet. Oh my. See what I mean? Look at that. Wow. Those are fantastic colors. Okay, let's look at it. These are individually cut. The labels are to go on your containers. 57 colors. Love it. It's an 80 by 55. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it was. Square resin drills, 4 ABs. See, I don't think you're going to get any real big patches of black. I think it's all going to be broken up to make it very manageable to diamond paint it. I love this. This is going to be so pretty. All right, let's look at it. Are you ready to look at it? I'm ready. Soft canvas. Look at it. Here's our legend. Love that. All the way down the side. Down here at the bottom, social media, email, website, things like that. Look at it. Oh, it's very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Whoa, look at it. Oh, look at that. See? Now, do you see big splotches of black? No, you don't. I think the black is in between things, like in between the plants here and little patches around the flowers, little patches there. So even though it's going to have quite a bit of blacks and dark blues, I think it's all mixed in very nicely, which is going to make diamond painting it much more fun. Art and Soul. Down here at the bottom is Flowery Night by Umples, 80 by 55. Okay, so let me just check and make sure. Number 5 is our 310. And what is this one right here? That one is 939. Okay, so you'll see, I'm just going to do this now while we're here. You see right here, this is 939, that dark blue. The T is 820, which is a pretty blue, right? And then number 5 is the black. So I don't even see the 5 yet. Okay, here, the 5 comes into play through here. a little bit around here. But see how it is all broken up nicely with a little bit of black, the dark blue and the lighter blue? I think it's going to be pretty. And look at the colors in those flowers. Oh my goodness. Hang on. I want to pull plastic back for a second here because we're getting some real glare on the wrinkly plastic. This is not in your canvas. It is just the plastic. You'll see what I mean when I flatten this out, how nice it will look. Wow, this is pretty. Well, except for when I did that. That didn't work out well, right? So get the wrinkles out of the plastic, gets the glare out. You'll see a difference in my two sides here, right? Okay, gorgeous. All this pink and orange and yellow and purples through there. It's beautiful. I really like this. This would be fun to do. Super, super fun to do. All right, let's get into the drills because these drills are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. They're all in order. We're going to mess them up. Why not? Okay. Let's give you a nice blank canvas here to look at them on. Purple, blue, green. There's lavender. Here's our black. Burnt orange, burnt rust. Burnt rust color. Oh, goodness. Brown and tan. Look at the pretty blues and purples. There's some beautiful pinks. Look at the yellows. Holy cow, the yellows are pretty. More yellows and oranges. Love those colors. Gorgeous. Sit right here with these guys. Stay in order. Stay in order, I say. Stay in order. Look at the blues. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, look at these guys. Look at all these guys trying to get away. Look at them. See, you'll get loose drills when the drills are packaged in Ziploc bags because they don't all make it in. So they try to get away. They try to escape. Ready. Olive green, dark green, pumpkiny orange, greens. That's a beautiful color right there. Love that. Pretty soon we're going to hit those ABs. Pretty soon, although not yet. There's some of the dark blue. That's 939. Pretty. Look at this. I love this little handful right here. All the pinks with the orange. I love it. Okay. We're almost there, folks. Almost there. Here's our ABs. There we go. Okay. That's pretty. That is gorgeous. It's a teal color. Can you tell? It's teal. More yellows, olive greens, blues. Gorgeous. Okay. So we're to our ABs. Oh, man. There's a huge bag of one of these colors. So here's the pretty, I keep forgetting what I want to call it. Lavender, lilac. I don't know. Light pink. Like, I can't even speak. Light purple. Look at this pretty orange. It almost looks neon colored, doesn't it? That's cool. And we have this bright green color. And look at the big bag of blue. That thing is stuffed full of blue AB. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. Let me move this stuff off here, and I'm going to flip it over, and we'll look for where the ABs go. Okay, got everything put away, and let's look for ABs. All right, let's start with the pretty purple. The pretty purple. It's interesting. It's peppered in this dark area down here. There's little patches of it and little specks of it in the dark at the bottom. And then there's a little bit that came in some of these leaves. A little bit here, a little bit here. And then that purple is speckled up here again as well, up in the sky. So interesting placement of the purples. I thought that was kind of cool. All right, next we have the beautiful orange. And it is easy to pick out on this canvas. See this dark red right here? It is all of that dark that kind of surrounds the center of that flower here. The dark on those petals, the dark red in here, and then this outline here on the petals on that flower. This whole section of dark reddish color right here is that AB. There's some around the center of that flower. Again, along the petals here. See the dark red here? That's actually that AB. This dark red is the AB. And then this one gets some, this gets some. That's very pretty. All right, the green, the pretty green. Well, that is reserved, of course, for the leaves. So there's a few in this leaf, some in this leaf, some coming up this leaf, up this one, and that one. And then I believe there was a nice patch of it over here. Yes, all of this right here, this whole patch right there is that green AB. Very nice, very pretty. And the blue. Oh my goodness, there's a bunch of blue. This is why. Okay, so down here, the blue is at the bottom. It's kind of going like this. You know, a whole big patches are in here. Some comes up this way. There is a little bit in some of these flowers and in this petal leafy right here. Petal leafy, you like that? It's a petal leafy now. So where you see some of the blue, there's a few. But see this color here? This color right here, that's all AB. This, all of that patch there, all of this patch going all the way across, and then this spot right there. It's beautiful. I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous diamond painting. It will be so pretty when it is done. These colors are fantastic. What do you think? I'm really impressed with this one. I like this one a lot. Yeah, the colors are just stunning. And like I said, there is not going to be huge sections of black or huge sections. I mean, the 939, I think there's bigger sections of the 939 you're going to have to deal with than the black, but I think it's going to be fun to do. It's beautiful. All right. Well, thank you, Art and Soul, for asking me to show some paintings of yours. It's been fun. I've enjoyed them. Now I just need to have some time to work on one. That's my next goal, is to actually work on one. So if you guys had a choice, remember, there's this one, there's the crystal, there's the one the fairy girl with the monarch butterflies, and then there's the Sheena Pike, the purple one, the girl with the dragon. Which one would you work on out of the four? Just asking. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed. Please go check out Art and Soul. This is their website, artandsouldiamonds.com. They have all of their paintings listed on there. They've done a really nice job of getting that website up and going, easy to order from. And they continue to add art. That's the cool thing. They're adding new art, new images. So follow them on Facebook as well. That's where you'll see the new stuff the quickest, is on Facebook. So that's what I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and hit the like button. If you're new, I hope you come back and see more videos, more content. And thank you to all those who are returning. I appreciate you very much. Until next time, have a great day. I'm going to enjoy a little bit of our beautiful sunshine, our gorgeous weather today. And yeah, clean up. That's what I have to do next. Clean up. Anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you soon. Bye, you guys.